So this is a tutorial on assigning low poly wireframes, topology textures on an object, and it's done in metal ray. This is the water blaster vehicle. Noticed all the nice tanks done by one of my students named Nick. And anyways, what we're going to do is take part of this vehicle and actually combine a composite map on this, which combines an arc and design metal ray material with a standard wireframe. So right now, if I render this, if I hit F9, you're left with a standard map. And what I'll do is, for clarity, I will increase the resolution to in the common parameters to a high def video, so you can see the results better. So again, when you're doing a portfolio piece, you'd want to showcase your topology of your polygons. And there's a lot going on this, just to demonstrate. This is a really nice UV map. The student actually did the whole UV map for the entire thing, but we're going to demonstrate just the hull or the body of the vehicle. So what we do is we go into metal ray and start with a brand new material. And we're going to use what's called an arc and design. So by this time you should have set your rendering set up to metal ray. So I'm going to go into the standard, just select the arc and design, and from the metal ray rollout. And you don't need the standard at this point in time, and you don't need any other material, just arc and design. Now in there I could select a different type of car paint. I could go in there, find a really nice paint. And one of the ones that my students liked over the years is just the car paint type of metal. But I'm going to use a brush metal because this is kind of a unique vehicle, and we're going to put that on the particular vehicle. It's a brush metal. But what we're going to do is combine the brush metal with a standard wireframe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this metal for my water cannon vehicle. And what I do is, to make a composite, the easiest thing you can do from an existing material is select arc and design. Okay, and what happens, pops up your materials again. I'm going to pick composite. What I'm going to do is keep the old material, the metal, as a submaterial, so that becomes the base. And what a composite does, you can combine many different materials together with a certain percent of opacity. So what I'm doing is applying a standard material, and I'm making a standard wireframe, and you can even change the color. So let's exaggerate it a bit and make a nice wiry, self-illuminated color yellow, and really bake the lighting in here just to be dramatic. So as I go up the hierarchy, I've got the nice yellow standard material with the traditional architect design brush paint. So when we render this, and you can't see this directly in the viewport, you've got a nice wireframe topology mix inside your hull. And that's a simple way of creating material shaders. Now I wouldn't use yellow in this case, just for the fact of pure color theory. It doesn't look good. I would use blues are really good, grays are good, but if you've got a gray vehicle, you're not going to have good color contrast. So anyways, great for writing portfolio pieces. You might want to not do wireframe for the entire vehicle just to show the realism, but it's a great way to show your next boss the topology of your vehicle. And that's it for the ability to combine two maps, a metal ray map and a wireframe map, for a nice wireframe poster. Okay, and that's it for that.